Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about a step-by-step how to upgrade weapons in Clair Obscur Expedition 33 on PS5. So I have, I think, 9 steps here. So I want you to take note about this one. I can post a video all throughout, but step 1 is progress to the main story. It's as easy as that. Go to the main story, unlock the blacksmith or workshop area. This facilities becomes available after completing the first major mission, or defeating an early boss. Take note about that one, you have to unlock the blacksmith. So gather necessary materials, collect upgrade materials by defeating enemies, opening treasure chests, or completing side quests. Common materials include metal shards, ether crystals, and ancient components. Now you need to visit the blacksmith. Locate the blacksmith NPC in the main hub or base area. Approach and interact with them using the X button. Select Upgrade Weapons option. From the dialog menu, choose Upgrade Weapons. This will open up the weapon upgrade interface. Next up, of course, we need to choose the weapon you want to upgrade. Scroll through your list of own weapons, highlight the weapon you want to enhance, and next up is check for upgrade requirements. So what we're checking right here is, we need to look for the weapon we want to upgrade. And then, check the requirements to it, to make it upgraded. So review the required materials in in-game currency, gold, or fragments. Make sure you have everything needed, starting from the currency, the materials, and so more and so forth. I think the level is also included here. Now, step 7, confirm the upgrade by clicking the square button, and then equip the upgraded weapon. Now, congratulations, you have an upgraded weapon. All you have to do, what excites me the most personally, is equipping this new upgraded weapon for your next mission to battle. So repeat the further upgrades, so some weapons can be upgraded multiple times. Higher level may require rare materials or larger amounts of currency. Basically, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.